Hello everyone, my name is Ameena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the fish kite craft. First, you're going to want to start with drawing circles onto colorful pieces of paper and cutting them out. Once you have cut out your circles, you can begin gluing them on a toilet paper roll in rows. Be sure to let the circles on the bottom row hang off the edge. Once you have glued the circles onto your toilet paper roll, fold and glue down the paper that is sticking out from one side and leave the other. Then let it dry. Once your glue is dry, cut out 2 circles from a white piece of paper and 2 smaller circles from a black piece of paper and glue them together to make the eyes. Glue the eyes to the sides of the toilet paper roll and let it dry. Cut out strips from a colorful pieces of paper and glue them to the inside of the toilet paper roll with glue dots or glue. Once you have done that, tie a string to an unsharpened pencil. Then, tape or glue both sides of the string to the inside of the toilet paper roll. Once you have done that, your fish kite should look something like this. Thank you!